Make a great choice today with the 2018 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.